Well, the roof's about done. I have a 7-inch strip on the back side, the north side, and a 17-inch strip on the south side that I need to fill in right at the top. I don't really know how I'm going to do that because my rope that I'm using, my safety line, goes through that gap. So I'm going to have to find, maybe I'll find an eye bolt, a heavy duty eye bolt, and screw it into the top of that ridge beam right in the middle and work my way around from there using that as a place to hook my lead. But I don't know, and I'm not going to do it today because I'm super tired. Did a lot of roofing today, carried a lot of full sheets all the way to the top. My arms are tired, my legs are tired, and I just don't feel like I should be up there anymore. So it is, for the most part, roofed in. We have the gable walls, as you can see, way over there, and the gable wall behind me that still need to be sheathed. I've got some scaffolding on the way that I purchased instead of rent. I decided that I was going to rent it for too many days to make it worthwhile to rent. It's going to cost me a little bit more to buy it, but then afterwards I could potentially, if I don't want it anymore, I could sell it and I would end up spending less money than if I were to rent it. So the scaffolding will come in and I'll start sheathing those. I'm not going to do that with a ladder. I'm pretty much done with a ladder at this point in time. I've been up and down on a ladder so long, getting all this stuff done and sheathed. My body's just getting tired. My knees are getting tired. Everything's getting tired. But it's getting done little by little. I'm happy, super happy that it's getting done. It is still raining on us. We had a big, well, not a big rainstorm, but we had a rainstorm come through yesterday. That's why I didn't film the front side of the house getting sheathed, because I'd wait for it to slow down a little bit, wait for the rainstorm to slow down a little bit, and I'd get out here and I'd throw some sheets up there and I'd nail them in place, and it'd start raining again, so I'd jump down and go back inside. It was just too much rain sporadically to pull out the camera, set it up, and videotape it, and then worry about it getting wet. So I didn't do that, but it is done. I did it basically the same way. It was easier. The south side with this big dormer was easier because this is only a 12.4 roof pitch above my head right here. It's not a 12.12 roof pitch like this entire back side of the house. That's I don't like heights, and I kept slipping just a little bit here and there. I would slip. I'd lose my footing, lose my handhold. The reason I had the rope with this harness is in case I completely lost my footing or completely lost my handhold, I couldn't go too far. But I'm going to go inside and probably take a nap for a while, get a little something to eat, and call it a day. Until next time, guys, go make something.